on our next night mission right now. Cruising out, no doubt. Rosie Boss Lady in control of the wheels. You know the deal. Alright. So, right now we just go on a cruise. And we're going to touch somewhere. We're going to get something to eat. And then find a local block for go and build. So that is it. So we catch you back in a few. You don't know the do. What do they do? Make sure you like the video. Or make sure to like the video.
And if you haven't subscribed.
Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do. You see it. Oh yeah, Tim. Come on. Yeah, go this way now. Right, exactly where we are. Go watch him man there. The space is tight though, man. Tight.
Good thing you not come out.
Yeah, so reach the location. Rosie Boss Lady. I gotta deal with the mission. Can't even see you.
Can't see me.
Can't hardly see you.
There.
Yeah, there. Alright, so Rosie Boss Lady I gotta deal with the mission right now. Which part, where the plaza your name again?
I'm really not sure, you know.
So the plaza you have Little Caesars, Wendy's. Or it have a next food place here?
No, Wendy's is over here. It's just Popeyes.
Oh, Popeyes, yeah, Popeyes and Little Caesar. Yeah. Alright, Rosie Boss Lady. Yeah. Angry your business.
Yeah.
How you buy? What the one you show me?
The one we see.
Yes, thank you Lord. Alright, sweetheart.
So we just ordered the pizza and him say 15 minutes, so there wait. But we want to go somewhere, go chill out like what babe say. So what I think about maybe down to what do you call this, the waterfront?
Up on the waterfront, yeah.
Yeah, right. So,
Yeah, don't say it's a nice vibes in the night, even at the day too.
No,
you know?
in the day?
Yeah, cause people still go out there and go dine and them thing there.
But the sun hot them time.
No, I said the waterfront, you know. So the place cool and nice. So it's a nice vibes at night and it's a nice vibes
During
in
the
the
day.
day, yeah. So right now we are gonna go down there and see what I go on. You see, because
You know it's what a nice too.
Which part?
Same place where you did recommend to airport road.
oh, up on the airport road, so
Yeah.
yo, that's a nice place, but that's a too
Too
far
far.
right now, yeah. So
And after night.
we are gonna work with the closer option right now. Because we go way out of the airport side, that's too far.
By
You
the
see
time
it?
we reach out the waterfront what me pizza, it
Cold.
cold.
Cold like ice. And it now come out of the oven again, out of the fridge to come this time.
Freezer.
Out of the freezer, deep freeze, to rot it out off of the North Pole. Yeah, so right now, waterfront it is, you see it. Alright, stay tuned. That's one Rosie Boss Lady. God have mercy. She catch me a video. Ooh, it's a forward. Watch her face. Watch the people them car, give me it. Heavy man, Jesus.
I see chewy stuff cross stuff.
Wow.
Yes.
John Light and so. Oi! My God, they may not good again.
With a make it drop.
Hey, you man.
What we are gonna do? May I brush it off from this?
Yeah. Ooh, see there? God have mercy. Just say ready? No man, I've got to eat too big. We can't just left, so if we're ready for go away. Back again on the road, in a crossroad. Is it? Boss, they are hustle. Jaja. So we are head going to cross. Hear me? What the hell me at all? But mine gone far, you know. What's it? Half a tree road the same me with the pan. So it's where crossroad start.
Go.
Tell that is up on the map, on the Google map. Time, Jaja. Tell me anybody if Google Maps carry there. If Google Maps ever last say it. Scotia.
Sure say that happened.
Many times, right? Yeah. And sometimes I Google accent up on some road you know want to go. If I say heck no. Even by the time over there country and beer in a tea, I was probably there in a Ochi. St. Anne we there?
Who that come from?
Forest. Where I come from? Mahogany Beach. And Mahogany Beach where I come from though. And the man I said we go way up in the hills up one park and we make a turn off. I said no man, I know you saw how to go.
I know you saw where it come from.
Yeah, I know you saw where it come from. But the man I tell you say oh we can drive go the next way and still meet up on the road where we want to go. But when we are drive take your time babe. When we are drive go up on the road. Why? The road never look too good. It looks small and steep and beery and no sir. Yes, straight yeah. Boy, you watch a patrol him, I nah look you just a drive and see who name Speedy Gonzales. Now he's up half high gas. Prestige is right here up on the right. Prestige Bakery, make donut. Watch him all them mad drive in here. Not even put on him indicator. So we are doing a night stroll and night vibes heading into downtown Kingston. You see it? Yeah man. So go and stick and stay. Watch the big old stone babe. Lord of mercy. Go and stay tuned my people. Yeah, we are bringing up on a tour in the night yeah. So you can see what it's like in the night yeah. Right now the place called in the dark, you're gonna need a lighter. You see what I say? But cameras are bring you through man, don't worry yourself man, you're gonna get a view same way. You know? So you have to say Rosie Boss Lady?
Stay tuned for the experience.
Oh, God have mercy.
Don't come tag and nobody.
Yes. That me I say, I'm like, you're not patrol my friend, like, them just a call you.
Is that one way road this?
Yeah. Yes, it is, my dear.
Oh. Because, yes, same here, still to one side of the road.
A two lane, but it's one way.
Oh.
Every time, you know, again.
Please.
Yeah, I saw running party yesterday at night.
So then busy at daytime?
Yeah, see now one lane, see that.
Okay.
We are go over, you have to go another one to be up behind him. The road they are colourful, you know.
Bad.
Yeah, I love how them do the ground, pretty. But yeah man, beer, antique, when I say historic buildings. Most of these haven't been renovated real way, just probably paint and look at adjustments. But this is authentic downtown Kingston. People there, some man. People are look here. Say, oh, over here, so know that big building. What they said, this was the first theater, like acting theater.
Oh.
Yeah. This is the park on the right here, so St. George Parks. I saw St. George. Yeah. Or St. William George, I saw. Remember. Yeah. The big clock tower. Downtown Kingston clock tower. And the place bright. But the place empty. Yeah.
Yes, so tomorrow.
Yeah, me see it, man. Empty. Over this side is a place that will normal. Kind of part me a chat. Anyways. A beer crap me a chat to her.
You get nervous.
Nervous. You don't know what to me. Like the time I say when the water go.
Yeah, no, I'm thinking I can say municipal.
Oh, municipal, yeah, we talk municipal backside. And the place named municipal. Jaja. Yes, downtown Kingston, you know. Yeah, man. Cruising, sailing, but with the on the land, in the van, then later the dive on. Yes, I the best I. Never test I. Ever more, never less I. So reach on the waterfront, man. Catch you back in our next few. KFC always full, you know. KFC are always full. Yeah. Where's the late night KFC? But a 2 KFC up on the road, you know.
Yeah.
One here and one up the road.
Going left?
Yeah, left. We are going left. Rock Hotel here. Huge Rock Hotel. To the front here. Rock Hotel, downtown Kingston. That is it. And there is a sign right there. That is some of what you can expect inside. Yep. And over here is Ocean 7. Pizza Please. Glorious Place. Yes. And some others, you know. Nice spot. Downtown Kingston we at. Is it. And we now turn back. Right now we are look up a spot. You see what I say? Yeah, music a play and beer sitting. I want a rock hotel I go on so. Hello sir. Hey cho. She too rich for argue with A. Want a park? Nah, walk and look in the dark.
Oh, it's a space over this one.
Yeah. On space today, so no brother, we don't want a space here, so I go around me G. What's a U-turn right here, so? Big Scotia building, huge Scotia building. And this is our Bank of Jamaica, this.
I don't even know, I don't see any name on it.
Yeah. And then somebody take the space already.
How far is it then?
Up more. Nah, brother, we not come round. So
This?
yeah. I better go reverse. Catch your man. I forgot to go somewhere. So what you also know for do it, my sweetie. Yeah. They catching. Catch a big driver, you know. Testament, you know. Rock up. Listen to him. I'm going to give instruction there. Alright. Wait. Go back, see me. Take up, yeah? Yeah, go back. Everything now. Everything. not even all that video.
Alright.
Well, go forward, look.
Yeah.
Alright.
I know you want to laugh.
Stay there, son.
Yes, sir. Respect, I. Alright, cool, no big driver. Right, I know I've got to take on the country road there now.
Of course.
Alright. Alright, and see it there with the right on the beachfront park up. You see all of the pretty lights. See airport runway, see the blue lights. That is airport runway right there. And some huge ship dock waiting. I don't know what they're waiting for, but that's for them agenda. Yeah, right now they are so locked in like a top contender. You see what I say? I wanna mix up in a blender. Tell the truth now, Rosie?
Tell the truth.
Alright. Yeah, she said the truth and the truth. So, go on. You don't go on go faster, man. Yeah. That is up Gloria's Seafood City. Place that Victoria Pier. The building. Yeah, one jerk man him out here and beer thing. Place full. Full. You lucky you get any parking spot. See all a pay parking spot. A pay parking spot this? How this go? No, a free. A free parking spot.
It's a staff only.
A staff only during the day. Yeah. Famous waterfront, you know. And this is Ocean Boulevard we are on right now. Because we're next to the ocean. You know the motion. Baby powder and baby lotion. Over here says the downtown craft market, Kingston craft market. This you're looking at right here. Yes, the Kingston craft market. So this is where you can come and get a lot of souvenirs, real authentic Jamaican gifts, jewelry, etc. Right? Yes. See the craft mark enter from right there. And now, hold up, what are the name again? I try to remember what name, but this is the bus station.
But nobody uses.
Yeah, nobody use a bus station here. Bus station and make.
Always empty.
The bus station and make and go to rest same time. Jaja God, what a waste. She would them a play a ball like at the gas station and exercise. You could pick them bill, you could pick them, you know. Yeah. Here kids. On the side there the marine and the police, police, marina. Yeah, on the side there. Yeah, what a big building here again. Oh, National Fishery Authority. Fisheries. New Chemix over here, so. You see this huge tall column or building. Let me go check here. Silo. Silo you call him there? I remember. First and over that side. Coming up to the stoplight. You better act right. Big old screen that I carry. family vehicle. Oh, right now we are on Marcus Garvey Drive. We are on Marcus Garvey Drive. And we're taking a drive. There was the boss lady has steered the spaceship. Just a pass you up back again. Wow, wow.
You see that?
Wow.
You see the car sail go over the sun and lick up the car.
Yeah. How we are say? Slow down, babe. Watch light. Nobody watch them too much and now watch yourself.
How far me different when we stop to see light?
Oh, me think you never see the light.
It's crazy, me I tell you.
Boy,
I'm sorry.
more than catch when you must zoom pass. And weather show you so. And who say boy that shit them couldn't stop and pick it up and clean it up. One thing that camera pick up all every little light where nah show it pick it up. And every little light where available, it pick it up. And you can see Victoria.
Not see that.
Here, rain on the road. Some bump and this and that and all type of thing in the road. Good time, my darling. Where you going, so? No, you're a big driver, you know?
Yes, slow down, man.
No, you're a big driver, my love. I don't say, I laugh. Father. This is Jamaica, Kingston to be specific. And this is what the place looks like. You know what I'm saying? Yes, yeah, that man has speed. Try if we go catch Joe on a beautiful mountain like Christmas.
See, it's pretty.
Wow, yeah, the mountain look like Christmas, man. So right now we are come off the highway right now. Yeah, like sweetheart. Take your time because the car is very sharp, you know. Take your time to reach the car. Very sharp. Sharp. Yeah. I wish you had go straight or you turn on. I say go straight. But you know, go up on the bridge, you know. Yeah, go which part of the truck I go. Yeah, they're behind me. Past the bridge right now, we're not going on the bridge. We are passing the bridge and we are going about our biz. There's a patrol there in that hole. Right now you have to dodge hole, we can't tell you this. Once you master Jamaican road, you know, we can't tell you. You can't drive anywhere in the road. Please, can you go up on the other side, please, sweetheart? Go on the other lane, sweetheart. Watch that dip, yeah.
Which lane is going on?
Alright, you want go straight.
Straight?
Yeah. Come over in that lane.